Early morning, we're easing into our berth in Akureyri, with whale seeking first on the list of things to do.
The Hof Cultural and Conference Centre.
The sculpture Sailing, sister sculpture to the Sun Voyager which we saw in Reykjavik.
Cheeky little rock bird in her little rock nest.
The whale seeker's boat Holmasol, ready for a frosty trip.
Kitted up for warmth and just in case.
We ease past the Hanseatic Spirit and our own Spirit of Discovery as the New Starten Dam eases into port.
The graceful lines of our ship, the Spirit of Discovery.
Shoreline huts and houses. Vaulaheidi Tunnel, a tunnel with a twist. During construction in 2014, explosives used to form the tunnel caused a massive leak of natural geothermal water into the tunnel. The best solution turned out to be drill holes in the tunnel walls to allow the warm water to flow to the nearby ocean. This created a river, still without a name, a geothermal pool and a warm waterfall. The RIB team comes speeding past. We are quite happy for the comfort, warmth and hot chocolate on board our slower vessel.
Our lower speed allows the local birds to do some people watching.
Before our captain successfully seeks out some whales for us to watch. All these were feeding very gently. My lady got her whale tail. Happy whale seeker.
Back to port for a change to a bus and let's head out to the Godafoss waterfall.
A quick view of the Lutheran Church of Akureyri and an aerial image thanks to a content creator.
At Godafoss, we are greeted by a mother duck and her duckling feeding in a sheltered backwater of the river.
Before we walk up the river to see this magnificent waterfall.
Enjoy the falls as we did. Aerial images by content creators.
Scene from the bus returning to Akureyri.
Where we are to visit the second oldest botanical garden in Iceland. Spotting this heart-shaped red traffic light as we cross the intersection into the town.
The Akureyri Botanic Gardens came into being in 1957. when the municipality purchased the private plant collection of John Roggenwaldsen, who was employed then to direct the gardens until 1970. Over 3,500 species are grown. 150 to 200 of them are Icelandic plants. The number varies depending on their success with cultivating them, as many have very strict habitats, like hot water springs. Most of the other plants originate from Arctic or alpine regions.
Sail away time, a last look at the newly created thermal river. And with us heading into a fog, it's time for a supper of beef cheeks. We followed this with the evening show in the theatre.